The Honorable Minister of Aviation, Hadis Rita, is hereby presented with doctorate degree in air transport management.
The Nigerian Meteorological Agency has predicted earlier than long-term average rainfall onset dates across the country in 2023. The Minister of Aviation, Senator Hadi Sirika, said this in Abuja in his keynote address at the unveiling of 2023 Seasonal Climate Prediction and other publications. According to the agency, the rainfall onset date is predicted to be earlier than the long-term average in most parts of the country. On rainfall cessation dates, NiMet predicted an early end of season in Osun, Ondo, Edo, Delta, Imo, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Ogun, and Lagos states. NiMet forecasts length of growing season in most places to be near long-term average except for some parts of northern states like Katsina, Jigawa, and Kano, where shorter than long-term average length of growing season is anticipated. According to NiMet, rainfall amount over the country in 2023 is predicted to be average to above average in most parts of Nigeria.
However, parts of Katsina, Zamfara, Kano, Jigawa, Yobe, and Cross River, Ebonyi, Imo, and rivers in the south are likely to experience a delayed onset of rain. So in these areas there will be delayed. Not that it's not going to come, but it will be delayed. The starting of the rain. The onset is expected to become established in early March from the coastal states of Bayelsa, Rivers, and Akwa Ibom, in April for the inland states of the south, in May around the central states, and around July in the northern states. The onset dates will range from 2nd of March to 7th of July in 2023. An early end of season is predicted over the parts of south, especially Osun, Ondo, Edo, Delta, Imo, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and eastern parts of Ogun and Lagos states, and also parts of Yobe, Adamawa, Niger, Nasarawa, and Kogi. However, an extended rainfall season is predicted over Gombe, Kaduna, Kwara, Enugu, Anambra, Western Ogun, and Lagos. So the rainfall season will be extended more than normal. The end of season period is expected to range from 26th of September up to 25th of December. The length of growing season in most places in the country is likely to be near the long-term average, except for some parts of the northern states, such as my own state, Katsina, Jigawa, and Kano, where shorter than the long-term average length of growing season is anticipated. The season is expected to range from 84 to 283 days. Abuja and surrounding states are expected to witness between 170 to 230 days of rain. The annual total rainfall is expected to be normal to above normal in most parts of the country. However, in parts of Yobe, Jigawa, Kano, Bauchi, Kaduna, and FCT are likely to observe below normal to near normal annual rainfall amount. The annual rainfall amount is expected to range from 420 millimeters in the far northernmost parts of the country to 3,253 millimeters in the coastal area. However, there are dry spells occurrences. So dry spell occurrences have characterized our seasons in recent years. In 2023, we should also prepare for its occurrence between June and early July, as dry spell lasting between 15 to 21 days in the forecast, especially from the central parts of the country to the north, which is called Fari or Bang Iska. If it is very short, it's Bang Iska in Hausa. If it's very long, it becomes Fari. When compared to the last years, the little dry season, August break, for 2023 is expected to be less intense. It is expected to last between 14 and 20 days, starting from the late July, especially over the southwest of the country.